from Treviso, Italy. I'm Sandra.
I'm Chris. And this is James. He's not looking at the camera at all.
He's not.
He's so camera shy. Welcome to our channel. This is Our Big Adventure.
So this right here is our place. That is where we live. And just so you know, we are right in the heart of Treviso. I mean, we could not be any more in the center of everything. And just to show you how much we are in the center, there's actually a big stage over there. They're gonna have a big concert
On New
Year's Eve. So we are gonna be up all night, and they've actually started all the cheering and fireworks already. Last night at midnight we were hearing a lot of fireworks, which were, poor James was just startled, but we're gonna have to comfort him during the concert. This is the original fountain, Fontana Delle Tette. You can figure out what that means without me having to tell you.
I hear music.
I do too. It's right here.
Bellissimo, un vagone medio gigante. Ah, è grande. Ah, che bello. Bellissimo. Bellissimo.
He's like, yay, someone wanted to see me.
His name is James.
Ah, James, a maschio.
Good boy, man.
They cut over through the crowd specifically to come see James.
Did they really?
Yeah.
That's cute. Has a Manhattan portage bag.
Yeah. Guy back there had an apple bag.
Wow.
We turned there last night.
Yeah. You want to do that again? Yeah. Oh, look at that little old dog. Pretty.
Wow, it's not that.
doesn't want to stay up there.
He doesn't care about the duck.
Look at this modern building in the middle of all these old buildings. And that's where they're shooting the fireworks off from tonight, right? Or tomorrow night? Look at the artichokes.
Oh yeah. This is what we...
Yes, it is. We're in Treviso, Italy, and I wanted to get a bone for James. So I stopped into this butcher shop here and said that I wanted to get a bone. And well, first of all, I asked if they spoke English because I couldn't figure out how to ask for a bone for my dog. I knew Connie, I think his dog. But anyway, so I typed it into my phone and was able to like translate and read it to him. And he went in the back and said, yes, yes, yes. He went and got me this huge beef bone. It's from a baby cow. And he wouldn't let me pay for it. Like, how awesome is that? He just kept saying gratis, gratis. So James has this amazingly huge bone now. Thanks to this wonderful little butcher shop right here in the heart of Treviso. This is the fish market in Treviso, Italy. We're gonna go check it out, see what kind of fish we can find. James isn't gonna be worried about fish at all because he has
humongous bone.
Beef. So are they smoking something right now? Doesn't it smell like smoked fish? Look at the octopus. Wow. Wow, look at those. Oh, that's so cool. That's a lot of fish. James, would you rather have fish or beef? Which would you prefer? James, want to show everyone the fountain?
Okay.
Come on. What do you think, James? Huh? What do you think of this crazy fountain?
James, give me a kiss. James, give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. James, he just wants to eat the grass. James, give me a kiss. Okay, I'm gonna kiss you then. Ready? Mwah. He's not a kisser. He won't give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. James, James. No, don't eat the forest grass. Give me a kiss. I'd say that counts. He's so little. Oh, James! Oh my goodness! Oh, you're so cute! Oh! If Chris is ever missing, all you have to do is look for an Apple logo. You buying a new iPhone?
It's like a
I found you.
It's like a mini Apple store.
Really? You want to go in? There's another little dog in there.
That's just it. I don't need anything now.
Oh, now that you have your
got
watch.
my watch. Mesmerizing.
They're playing your song. While we're out to eat, Poodle, they're playing your song. He's a soul man.
We were back in Austria for a while, so this is an Austrian haircut. But his next one will be Italian.
He's cute. I know.
James, did you get a little treat? Oh, James.
Thank you.